Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need a Google account and chat enabled in Gmail settings. Once logged in, make sure chat is selected under Settings, Chat, and Meet. Now, open Gmail and look for the chat section or the chat icon on the left. Click it to reveal contacts and spaces. This first action gets the interface ready so you can create a new conversation quickly. From here, you will either start a direct message or create a space, depending on your goal. Once the chat panel is visible, click New Chat or Create Space to begin. For direct messages, type the person's name or email and hit Enter. For spaces, choose Create Space, give it a descriptive name, and invite members. Make sure to configure notifications so you won't miss important messages. You can attach files, start threaded replies to keep topics separate, and use it mentions to notify specific people. These choices help structure collaboration and reduce noise for everyone involved. To finish, tidy up. Pin key chats, mute or archive less relevant ones, and verify files are shared with participants. If something goes wrong, first check your network and sign out, then sign back in. Make sure Gmail and the Google Chat app are up to date. If syncing still fails, clear your browser cache or reinstall the app. Also confirm your account and admin policies allow chat. Organization settings can block features. These steps resolve most common issues, so your chat works reliably.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.